Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to bring a splash of color and a whole lot of functionality to your kitchen. We're talking about the NutriChef 15-piece non-stick kitchen cookware set, model number NutriChef 15. If you've been looking for a comprehensive set that's both practical and visually appealing, this might just be it. Let's start by unpacking what you get. This isn't just a few pots and pans. It's a full 15-piece ensemble, designed to cover almost every cooking need you can imagine. You'll find a saucepot, a cooking pot, a Dutch oven, a small frying pan, and a medium frying pan. But it doesn't stop there. To complement these essential cooking vessels, NutriChef has included a selection of 5 utensils: a slotted spoon, a slotted spatula, a pasta server, a soup ladle, and a potato masher. And of course, no cookware set is complete without lids, and this one comes with multiple see-through tempered glass lids, each fitted with vent holes. Now, let's talk about the star of the show for many home cooks, the non-stick coating. NutriChef assures us that this set features a long-lasting black non-stick coating on the inside. The real win here is that it's PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS-Free, which is a crucial consideration for anyone prioritizing healthier cooking practices. This coating is designed for easy food release, meaning your delicate fish fillets and fried eggs should slide right out without sticking. This also translates to easier cleaning, which is always a major plus after a cooking session. What immediately catches the eye is the vibrant exterior. The saucepot is a cheerful pink, the cooking pot is a sunny yellow, and the Dutch oven sports a lovely green. The frying pans come in black, adding a classic contrast. This colorful, heat-resistant lacquer exterior isn't just for looks. It's designed to be stain-resistant and easy to clean, adding a stylish, modern touch to your kitchen decor. Ergonomics and safety are paramount when it comes to cookware, and NutriChef seems to have considered this. The pots and pans are fitted with cool-touch ergonomic handles made of solid black Bakelite. This material is heat-resistant, meaning you should be able to pick up your pots and pans without the need for oven mitts or pot holders, even when they're hot on the stove. The tempered glass lids are a thoughtful addition. They allow you to monitor your food as it cooks without having to lift the lid, which can cause heat and moisture to escape. The vent holes are a practical feature that helps prevent boiling over, a common annoyance in many kitchens. When it comes to compatibility, this set is quite versatile. The pots and skillet frying pans are induction ready, meaning they will work on induction cooktops. They are also safe for use on gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. The construction is pressed aluminum with a thickness of 2.5 mm, and an 18-25 coating. This material choice is excellent for heat distribution and retention, promising even cooking throughout your culinary adventures. Let's move on to the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 15-piece comprehensive nature of this set is a huge advantage. It provides everything a beginner or even an experienced home cook might need to get started or to refresh their existing cookware. The PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free non-stick coating is a significant health and safety benefit. The colorful design is a refreshing change from the usual monochrome cookware, adding a fun element to cooking. The cool touch handles enhance safety and ease of use. The induction compatibility broadens its appeal to those with modern cooktops. And the inclusion of matching utensils is a nice bonus that saves you from buying them separately. However, there are a few potential considerations. While the exterior is described as colorful and heat-resistant, the long-term durability of this lacquer finish under heavy use and repeated washing might be something to monitor. Non-stick coatings, regardless of their quality, do have a lifespan, and how well this particular coating holds up over time will be key. Also, while the handles are cool touch, it's always wise to exercise caution, as extreme heat can still transfer. The description mentions dishwasher safe, which is convenient, but hand washing is often recommended for extending the life of non-stick surfaces, so that's something to keep in mind. Finally, for professional chefs or those who cook very demanding dishes frequently, the pressed aluminum construction might not offer the same robustness as cast iron or heavier gauge stainless steel for extreme heat searing, though for everyday home cooking, it should perform admirably. In conclusion, the NutriChef 15-piece non-stick kitchen cookware set offers a fantastic value proposition. It's a visually striking, highly functional, and health-conscious option for anyone looking to equip their kitchen. The sheer number of pieces included, combined with the essential features like non-stick coating, cool touch handles, and induction readiness, makes it a compelling choice for everyday cooking. If you appreciate a bit of color in your kitchen and want a set that covers all the basics and then some, this NutriChef set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.